What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing today? Combine a couple coming back again, and today we are doing a review of Generation's Thrilling 30 Sandstorm. Now, Sandstorm is a triple changer. Uh, I think he came in season three. He came in season three, and I mean, like, he really didn't have a background story. It came from another planet, and I think it was Cyclonus and what was his name? Anyway, they had found this planet or whatever, and they had to destroy it. So he moved to Cybertron as one of their citizens. But in the original, he was a helicopter, and now he is like what do they call these hover things? Um, I can't even think of the name of this. But it's real nice. It's got the little wheels that could turn this because the opposite side would be the wheel, but then on the bottom underneath you have the gun, which is mounted up there too. But there is a way for you to put it at the bottom for you to clip it in and close it from the chest pieces. And you would close it from right there. Just stick the handle in you see where the handle is? Right there where my thumb is, and it's going inside, and it will sit up. Alright. Now, I'm actually glad that I'm doing this review of him because at first I was being, I was trying to catch up or keep up instead of just doing my own thing, and I'm actually having more fun doing it my way and not trying to um how could I say it, like write it out, like use it as a script. It's not a movie. This is my thoughts, and I want them to be genuine and 100%. Anyway, all right. Sandstorm does turn into this, and what is it I want to show? There is nothing I could show other than I could take this off and I could still put it on top if you want it that way. And let's say you could put it back here actually, and there you go. That's what will make it look better. Yeah, or you could put it right here in the front, which actually wouldn't look right, but it is what it is now. But it is a helicopter. I mean, or whatever you want to call it, hovercraft. All right. Well, his other alt mode is a doom buggy, and we are about to go into that right now. So what you want to do is first off unclip this right there and right there. Bringing this up. All right. You're gonna open your chest piece, bringing this up, and that up. Oops, wait a minute. I gotta close these. I gotta fix this. Open this. Let me see. Hold on, buddy. All right. I'm gonna bring this back first so I can see what I am doing. I'm gonna take these legs and fold them down, break these apart, and you're gonna flip them. And another flip, raising this up and putting them together. They will tab in together. And so, now for you would bring this back. Do you want to bring that back first? I want to open. My bad. I'm gonna open these hands. Open it up, and it should. And I will open this one and rotate it. Is it the way? I'm about to see. Nope, it is not the way. So I'll take it, and I'll take it. What's that do? Rotate. And you rotate the arm, bicep, brother. And you will lock them in. Right here. Alright. Bring these up. Alright. So now what you want to do is rotate. Wait, bring this back. That's what it was. You want this to open. Closing this. And that's like that. And you're going to do the other side the same way. Bring that up. That up. Right. I'm going to open that leg. And close that in and bring it up. And close it. So now you're going to rotate the wheels. Rotate. And you're going to bring them down. Snap them. And snap. So rotate this. And rotate. Alright. So now we are to this part in which, let's see, okay, it comes down like that. Now this side will come down, but you can leave it down like this, which would be like dust covers for dune buggies, but it also turns into a spoiler. But you can hold the gun right here just to show that off. All right, and the gun, let me see, how do you fire this one? How do you fire this? Okay, and you fire it with the you go fire. Cool. I forgot what it did. I ain't transformed it in a while. Long while. Alright. Put this back in. Alright, there you go. So yeah. This is the dome buggy mode with the dust covers. And you can also raise it up. The gun rotates. And you can take it off. Flip this back and bring that up. That up. Right. Okay. I'm telling you, I forgot how to do that. I forgot how to do it. Let me see something. Nope. Okay. I think it went like this. I'm not sure. Hold on. What am I doing wrong? I do not know what my instructions are. But I take it. I know it was a way I could do this and turn it into the. Oh, I think it said like that. I'm not sure. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But I don't think that's the right way for some reason. And I'll just leave it like that. So I'll just leave it like that and call it a day. So, and that's what it would be. Alright, those are the two alt modes. And now we are going to go into the bot mode. Alright, let's take this off. Flip this up. Flip these panels back out. Flip that panel back out. And you can bring this out. Just hold it open. Flip these. Break this apart. Nope. Untab this. And that side. Flip it over for a second. And you will be bringing down the leg. Flipping out this heel spur, which looks like a gas tank. And you can flip that leg down. Heel spur out. Make sure they closed. Alright. What you want to do, fold this back. Bring out his fist. And you will want to bring this back out. This cover. Let me unfold that. Pull that out. Rotate it back. Flip that. Now you got a fist. Close the window. And to the other side. Pull this out. Come on. A little tight. Alright. Pull that out and rotate. Fist out. Close and close window. Alright. Now going to the head, which we would actually pull this cockpit back first. Break that down for the second, and then you bring this down for a second. Alright. Now you're gonna pop his head out. Let down this landing gear so you can have clearance. And line it up. And it should just go right through. Let's see. There you go. Like putting on a turtleneck with his head, dude. Alright, we got you. Bring these up. Bring up the other chest piece. Straighten the legs. And what you want to do is pop that off. Bring it up. It mounts on. Stuck. Alright. Flip this over. Rotate the wheels. Rotate the wheel. Alright. Bring the spoiler back. And it will all clip in to the back, which I already did. Alright. Gun. Now, let's see if we can get on the stand. Well, I guess not. But anyway, let me do his posability. He can do a 360 circle. Well, no, he actually can. Yes, he can. He can do it, but you will have to bring this down. So he goes in and out as far as the head to let him go. Bicep swivel. Ratchet joint. And legs twist, thigh twist, and that's it. Knees bend. Alright. So there you have it. sandstorm. And then I got a way that I get him standing, and this is how I keep him standing easily since he's so back heavy. What I would do, I bring all this down. Bring it all down. Bring it all down. And use. Well, it's not the way that I actually do it, but he's standing and it's similar to what I do. So that way he can have a way to stand. But I can get him to stand. It just take a while. Because of like I said, he's so back heavy that you would actually have to put him in certain poses. Which I just do this. And it's always easy. But anyway, this is Cabana Couple saying thank you for watching, viewing. Please subscribe and check out my channel if you can. But other than that, I hope y'all enjoy this video of Generation Sandstorm. And I will be getting back to you. And I can't wait. Thanks a lot, YouTube. And see you next video. Cabana Couple signing off.